I Prakash Kadam here today to share with you a very good video, concept video on Jidoka. Jidoka is one of the Japanese productivity improvement techniques. The case study on the state of art AI I am also going to cover at the end of this lecture. Please be with me. What are the options, opportunities in the industry? That is also I am going to clear you. Jidoka is nothing but the automation with a human mind. Jidoka way of working consists of three principles. Do not make defects, do not pass on defects, do not accept defects. What you will learn after watching this complete video? This video, students are able to describe different Japanese productivity improvement techniques. After this watching this video, you are able to understand the concept of TPS. What is TPS? You are going to understand the concept of Jidoka in detail. So friends, after this watching this one, understand the concept of Andom. And complete watching, you are able to describe Jidoka using state-of-art AI. Raw. I will give you in detail at the end of this lecture. Please be with me. Japanese productivity improvement techniques. Here, the Japanese are developed this with the Toyota company, the main who have developed this one, and these are the techniques. See here, the TPS, Toyota Production System, Just in Time, JIT, Jidoka, Andon, Kaizen, 5S, Kanban, Hejunka, SMED, TPM, Tokayog. These are the various techniques. So friends, what is the concept of Toyota Production System, TPS? The goal of the Toyota Production System is to provide products at a world-class quality levels to meet the expectations of customers. Customers having number of options, so you have to make it world-class quality levels and to be a model of corporate responsibility within industry and surrounding community also. The oldest part of this production system is the concept of Jidoka, built-in quality, which was created in 1902 by Toyota founder Sakichi Toyota. Please, the image you can see, he also developed the 5 whys, which is useful in the industry. Sakichi Toyota was work as a Toyota Industry, Toyota Group, Toyota Goshoku Corporation. The most famous element of TPS is no doubt the just-in-time pillar of production system. Phrase just-in-time was coined by Ichiro Toyota in 1937 after start of Toyota Motor Corporation. See, this is these pictures of this Takichi Toyota and Kichiro Toyota was developed the just-in-time, and this built-in quality means Jidoka. And after that, Taichi Ohno tool systems. Hence, we'll learn the concept of Toyota TPS, the Toyota production system. See, this is the image of this house with these 2 pillars. The 2 pillars are just like a just-in-time and Jidoka. These are the main 2 pillars for the TPS. What is the aim to learn this 2 also? The goal is to highest quality and lowest cost and shortest lead time. So in just-in-time, continuous flow, takt time, tool system, you must learn. Watch the videos on just-in-time. Under the Jidoka, stop and notify the abnormalities and separate man's work and machine work. So friends, here also the 2 techniques, 5 years like Kaizen, Hejunka, and standardize the work that will give the stability to your industry like Toyota. So there are 2 primary pillars of the system. The first most famous pillar is the system is just-in-time, JIT, Jidoka, built-in quality is second pillar of the system. TPS can efficiently and quickly produce vehicles of sound quality one at a time that fully satisfy requirement. So we'll start with the Jidoka. Jidoka, originally this concept was used 1902 by Sakichi Toyoda. The Jidoka is also Japanese term which means automation. No, it is not simply automation. Automation means automation with human touch or automation with a human mind. Jidoka is one of the pillars of the world famous Toyota production system and also key concept in lean manufacturing. So friends, what is Jidoka? Toyota company started in the Toyota, they use this term to indicate that the system needs to be automated to highlight and attract attention to any deviation or defects originated in the production process. Thus, the machine were automated to identify and stop immediately when defect or deviation occurs in the products or part of the product. Thus, the Toyota had inbuilt quality, means monitoring the system, and additional quality control steps are limited and reduced in between the process when we have to monitor the quality also. So this helps them to identify and correct the mistakes. Then there and delivery completely defect-free product to the customer. That is the main purpose they have achieved through this system. So Jidoka is one of the two pillars, already you know, for TPS with the just-in-time. There are two principles of Jidoka. The basic principle, separate man's work from machine work. How Jidoka is sometimes called automation, gives equipment the ability to distinguish good parts and bad autonomously without being monitored by an operator. That is the separate man's work from machine work. That will, what will happen then? Then that he will stop the line and fix the problem. Stop and notify abnormality. Never let the defect pass next station. So there are four major steps for developing this type of Jidoka. First is minimize the manual labor. Manual labor simply means that all work is being done by hand. This makes sense only not when the labor costs are cheap and or the manual work can be done very quickly. That is not mean like this. We have to minimize the manual labor work. After that, we have to introduction of the mechanization. Okay, mechanization. How the mechanism means leaving part of the manual operation to a machine. The work is shared between operator and machine. Okay, so this we have to introduce the mechanization. Okay, the next step, third step is the automation. In this step, all manual labor is taken over by the machine. The operator just loads the work piece into the machine and presses a switch to start the machine. The machine is started now. So what the operator can leave the machine alone, but there is no way to know whether the machine is producing good or a bad part. That is the problem. So to take over this problem, fourth one, Jidoka, automation. So under this automation, the operator simply press the on switch and leaves the machine to do the processing. So the machine will detect when a problem has occurred and will automatically shut itself off when defect or the deviation in the product is occurred. In addition to defect detection, Jidoka sometimes includes auto input, auto output also. So this completely eliminates need for the operator participation. Also increase the built-in quality. So friends, what is the Jidoka then? Jidoka is the automatic detection of problems or defects at an early stage and proceed with the production only after resolving the problem at its root cause. So that is important in Jidoka. How it will happen, I'll show you with the example. See these pictures. This is the manual feeding by the operator to this machine. Okay, they are feeding this for the process. Then next step, what we to do the automation, mechanization. Here automatic feeding is there, input out automatic, output automatic. The operator is watch the machine cycle. But what will happen? It will not detect the defective parts. So next last step, Jidoka. Automatic feeding is there, automatic outcome is there. After starting the machine, here and-on light which will represent the defective part. If defective part occur, light will glow. So self-monitoring machines we have to develop to increase the productivity also. So friends, here the and-on word you heard. It is basically a notification system in TPS. The centerpiece is a signboard incorporating signal lights to indicate which workstation has a problem. There is any problem in the workstation that is also represented, or the defective part that also is represented by end-on. So this is the picture of the end-on. You can stop the process by manually. The alert can be activated manually also by worker using the pull cord or the button, or may be activated automatically by the production equipment itself. See, this is the use in industry, picture of industry, and so it was based on the pull system, where the problem can be notified as it happens, and then it can be corrected immediately. Friends, reflection spot for this. You just pause the video for 5 minutes and try to write the answer what you understood from previous part of video. So write down this what you understood on one plain paper. Pause for 5 minutes. Okay friend, now we can play for the next part of the video. The remaining part is very interesting part. Here Jidoka using state of art AI, artificial intelligence nowadays is emerging trend, or you have the future bright opportunity in this trend also. So how the Jidoka software platform and hardware platform developed by the Jidoka of this company, they form one software platform as a compass, and that compass is used to do all the records, and this the reference has taken from this website. You can also go through watch the website. This real-time decision making leveraging state of art AI, how it will occur, live monitoring of all the images, E2E system for visual defect inspection. I will give you in detail in coming video. Quality reports automatically develops, customized to organization needs, and downstream and upstream integration of applications such as ERP and other IoT platforms. You can also connect, and cutting edge analytics and seamless integration with the hardware elements. Friends, I will show you one of the technique they use. The popular products of this one of the three product I'm going to show you. The AI defect protection and analytics software Compass can be integrated with variety of automation. Here Tigris, one of these product is Tigris. How it will work? It works to linear conveyor system, twin linear conveyor system with a part flipping mechanism of the product. Two conveyor stations for inspection on top and bottom, and flat shaped components also. The speed up to 120 parts per minute we can develop for one machine. The size of the machine is 1.6 meter length, 0.75 meter width, 1.8 height. The number of cameras 2 to 6 depending on the component's geometry and regions for inspection. Degrees can be integrated with any part feeding automation such as bowl feeder. See, one other product for AI, Huron. Huron is a rotary table designed with the glass top. Rotary table machine most suited for wide variety of components. And here speed is given to you, size, number of cameras. Huron can be integrated with any part of feeding automation such as bowl feeder or robot. See, we'll watch this video to clear you idea. This is the machine which will show the Tigris product. Here is the product is Tigris. Linear conveyor system. Green belt which will show the belt conveyor system. This total picture of this Tigris. One of the products developed by this company, Jidoka. This is the picture which will represent compass. Compass is the software. And on. See, these are the products which are kept on is now started. Watch carefully. The flashlight which will take the pictures of products with high image processing cameras, and it will go next process. This conveyor belt with parts again flipped onto another conveyor. These two conveyors are there. Here is the image taking cameras, and the parts are going. AI-based model gives the decision as okay or not okay. This is the Jidoka developed. Rejected part and okay part. If part is okay, it will be separated here. If part is defective, automatically it will check it. You can watch clearly. This part is okay. See here. This is the defective part, and automatically it will give all the records and details, and with the image what are the defects. Here you can also watch the defects also by these images. This is the automatically give all the details of the with the shift wise and day wise product of multiple components. Also it will be, see, these are the very different products are going through this conveyor. See, this is a product that will also do it work for detection. This defective part detected by this camera and it is rejected. Not necessary to stop the production. This is a new technology they have developed, and this is a new opportunity to all friends. This is the popular products of one of the product, Miyake. Miyake is another stand-alone inspection station with manual loading and unloading. Automated inspection counting decision with manual loading and unloading of components in front of camera. What will do? It will detect the how many parts, 60 parts per minute, 1 to 3 depending on the component geometry and regions for inspection. Ideal machine for complex surface inspection and part counting applications where man fatigue is more in inspection process rather than loading and unloading. The loading and unloading is easy, but counting, see how it is possible. The number of cameras 1 to 3 depending on the component geometry and region of inspection. I will show you. This is one of the good video introducing the ERP. This is a software Compass. They are using software based. The product from Jidoka Technologies. Miyake can be used for automation of any visual quality or visual counting inspection. See, here counting inspection is done. Batch number, chip number, all details, who is the operator name, all the load it, and all these piston rings of different types, colors, size can be counted in Miyake. This is very costly product. This will be done counting within few seconds. Here, image is taken and automatically result will be here, 100 numbers. Individual manual counting is very difficult. Remove these few rings, piston rings. Again, it will for checking for demo purpose. It is showing to you how the counting will be there. 95. 5 are removed. Automatically it will display and keep record simultaneously. This type of work any operator by giving the training that can build for any visual inspection automation. Counting is one of the many applications. So we can visualize their quality also. Detect Jidoka deliver automation visual inspection, visual retaining power of human intelligence to enhance quality and efficiency in manufacturing. So friends, these are the new opportunities to you. Please take more knowledge, technical knowledge related to the vision, deep learning, algorithms, or visual effects by using this AI. You must know these various industries. It will be useful, automotive, pharma. So this is the discovery by this Jidoka. So you can visit website also. We will go for the next slides. So friends, there are number of opportunity to you open to you, like business development, data science, industrial automation, computer vision. So you have to develop yourself, upgrade your skills. So Jidoka is one of the most important method in lean arsenal for ensuring built-in quality and making most continuous flow. Jidoka relies on 4 simple principles to ensure that company would deliver defect-free products. Nowadays, with the help of you can discover any abnormality, stop the process, fix the immediate problem, and investigate and solve the root cause. Friends, end of this video, what are your outcomes? Key takeaways, you have to write down